Hi there, this is Dr. Z with the Red Lipstick Brown Table Talk, and we are on our 27 Rules to Success. And just wanted to say that I am still working towards my ultimate success, but I have made many successful moves and successful bridges over the years. And so I am just an accumulation of all my successes and failures. And so they're all working together for good. And so today I wanted to talk about success. Success people have their plans mapped out, right? I was told not too long ago that when you fail to plan, you plan to fail. And also that when you don't set goals, you are just holding yourself from freedom to your future. So yes, you want to make your long-term goals, your short-term goals, your family goals, social life goals, spiritual goals, physical goals, debt reduction goals. Everything in life, you should be looking at goals, how to make it better, how to improve. So definitely success, have their plans set and planned out.
Enter Skolman. Follow now.